So today we are going to check out two restaurants that are overlooking Cebulan.
Yeah.
Yeah, up on the way to Twin Lakes Park. And so the first one we're checking out is Azalea, I think, but you can just see the view behind us is amazing.
Yeah.
But let's go check out the restaurant and see the view.
It's look quiet.
Looks very quiet, but the view is
Wow.
let's go look. Let's check it out. Please leave your slippers or shoes. So here's a spot that you can sit and hang out. And look at the view down there. Yeah, you can just kind of hang out here and sit down. I don't trust this floor. So here's the restaurant. There's absolutely nobody here right now. Um, but it's open. Look at the view out here.
Wow. God.
You can see the railing here. This view is amazing.
Wow.
I think we should sit outside, huh?
Yeah.
Let's check out that other room. Ooh, what's down here?
Huh?
What's down here? Sitting? More sitting area?
No. It's
Oh, it's a kitchen. So
private.
not for customers.
No, kayo.
I'm gonna put you on YouTube. Is that okay? There's like a private room too.
All?
Wow.
Babe. Wow. Nice.
Yeah. You want here or outside there?
I think for you.
I think. Yeah.
The structure also.
Okay. So sit over there. So here's the menu. We got desserts, shakes, juices, beverages, beer, soft drink. Okay, here's the menu. Tasty beginnings, so appetizers, salads, entrees. Got vegetarian sandwiches, others. Alright, so we just ordered, I ordered pork belly grilled, and it comes with rice, salad, and soup, 275 pesos, and she ordered the chicken breast steak, Same thing with rice, salad, and soup, $2.75.
Yeah.
So that's like less than $6 a piece for a full meal with rice, salad, and soup. And then we just got some water, but the view is what you come for. I mean, look at this view behind us here. It's just,
It's look like Bohol.
yeah, it looks like Bohol, like Chocolate Hills or something behind us, but it's amazing. So we'll show you the food when it comes out and let you know how it is. Okay, so we just got our food. We're gonna dig in. I got my lechon, or excuse me, my pork belly, soup, rice, some gravy, and she's got the chicken breast
Chicken
steak.
breast and soup
rice.
and rice. Of course, Filipino love rice.
Yes, Filipinos love rice, and if you're in the Philippines, you might as well eat rice. So let's eat. Okay, well, we just finished our meal. We're gonna go check out the second restaurant with a view up here going towards Twin Lakes. But this place, the food was good, right?
Yeah.
And not bad priced, 550 pesos, so $11 for 2 people. Not too bad.
Not so bad.
Not so bad.
Not so bad. Ah! Some car is coming in.
Alright, so we are at the second restaurant. Let me go check out this place. This place is only open 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. like the other restaurant. This one seems to be much more popular.
I think so, because there are some customers coming here.
Seems to be a lot of customers, yeah. So,
It's look nice.
oh. Okay. Looks nice.
This is the famous in Facebook. I saw it.
Oh.
Ah. Good view here also.
Yeah, nice view.
I easy to catch the coconut. Very smooth. Some people here.
Yeah. Wow. Very cool view from here.
There are also private cottages.
This place is much more popular. More private cottages, I guess you can rent out, huh? It's nice, but I think I like the other one better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like they're building more stuff, though. Do you want to get a drink, or do you just want to? Okay. Okay, so we're at the second place. What is this place called?
Hanay,
Hanai?
Hanay.
Hanai Hanai. And so we ordered some dessert carrot cake, and I ordered something I've never tried called corn coffee. So we'll see how it is, but there's no tables available, so we're just like sitting on the floor like here, as you can see everybody else here. So, but it's like a little table, and then you put your feet down here. But the view here is amazing. Another cool place, so we will check out the dessert and the coffee and let you know how it is.
But more customers here.
Yeah, it's much more busy here. I think
From the other restaurants.
cheaper too, I
I
think.
think, yeah.
Yeah, less expensive out here too, but still a very good view. But the other place I think overall is nicer for like a couple. All right, we'll talk to you as soon as we get our food. All right, so we just got our, we got some carrot cake, and what is this called?
Niluyan na saging.
Yeah, it's some kind of a banana dessert, and then I'm trying something called corn coffee. It's actually tastes like regular coffee to me. I don't know how they make it, but it's pretty good. And then this banana dessert we're gonna try out, and
Carrot cake.
what is it?
Carrot cake.
Yeah, and carrot cake. So, guys, thanks for watching our review of these two restaurants on the way to Twin Lakes, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.